in a previous episode here. We were talking about the iPod Touch. We talked about why 2019, the iPod Touch in 2019 is a bit confusing for me, for you. Neither of us could come up with a good reason for why it should still exist and who it's for, who the customer is. Well, I found this article on Gizmodo, and they seem to have attempted to answer our question here. Patrick Howell O'Neill on Gizmodo says, who is the new iPod Touch good for? Question mark. Privacy hawks. Are you a privacy hawk, Will? Is that you?
No.
No, I didn't think so. See, I don't actually know any privacy hawks, but I guess that's a thing.
That's a term.
Maybe those people are out there. Who knows? Privacy hawks, because here's what they're saying. Gizmodo is talking about how your phone is constantly pinging cell towers. And there's, I guess that's transmitting certain information about you, your location at least. They're saying that for somebody who is one of these privacy hawks, or somebody who lives some kind of a secret agent lifestyle, even that could be giving away too much intel. So their suggestion is that an iPod Touch, which is a powerful device, on par with a modern smartphone, an iPhone, along with a messaging app like Signal, encrypted, private, now you have a communication device without any cellular radios, without the ability to ping your location. All of a sudden, you're on encrypted messaging apps with iOS, so presumably you could have a VPN as well. Layers to it. Maybe if you're super into privacy, super into security, you don't even want the cell radios inside. Like, I don't know who you are. One of these guys, WikiLeaks.
They'll find you.
One of these political, anybody working on really sensitive stuff, super sensitive, guys like Kirk, very sensitive stuff. You know, they might want to be on an iPod Touch. Imagine that. Imagine he pulls out the iPod Touch. He's like, I'm a privacy hawk. And he's just, he's on the messaging app encrypted, and you can't call him. He's like, I'll get back to you when I can, because I'm a privacy hawk. And you can obviously only get him when he's on Wi-Fi as well. But Wi-Fi is in a lot of places, obviously, also. So, anyway, they're making the case. I'm not suggesting, I don't necessarily agree with them. How big can that market possibly be? I tend to think this is more a thing that parents resistant to the idea of their children having smartphones could get this device for them as a stopgap type of device, like an iPad they can put in their pocket. That's probably who Apple is actually reaching for. But shout out to the privacy hawks. Sounds like it's like a new age sports team. The privacy hawks.
Yeah.
You know, but they're like it's like a pickup game. Like they're like it's like a softball. It's like a co-ed softball team. Well, hacking for sport. No, that's too predictable. They just need to be in your co-ed softball league, and they're just called the Privacy Hawks. See, that's way funnier. But then they just play softball. But they all carry iPod Touches. You see what I mean? And they only communicate through Signal. Imagine you play that team, you're like, geez, what do they got on us? I don't know. Can't hack them, can't crack them. They're the Privacy Hawks. You see what that is? You see, that's intimidating, Will.
Yeah, it is.
You don't want to play that team. Look, guys, I can't sell you an iPod Touch. I can't make the case strong enough. But anyway, if you're out there, good luck to you.